Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're going to put you through a short circuit workout. I got some equipment here that is basically at every gym, or a lot of people just have it at their home. So I got a stepper here. If you're in Planet Fitness, they have over in the circuit area, what they do is they have a big square thing that you can adjust. Use that. I'll use that in some of my other videos. We're just here today. So with our step ups, we're going to do 10 on each leg. So I'm going to step up here and try to get my knee as high as I can, all the way back down, stepping up and down with my left foot. Then I'm going to go to my right foot or right. We're not going to alternate, in other words. It just makes it easy. But the main thing is here is only get my knee above my waist and then back down. So wow. Okay? So stepping up with my right each time. Then we'll switch to the left leg. So we're going to do 10 on each leg. Then we're going to get our stability ball here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do crunches. So we're going to lean back, try to be like a 90-degree angle with your legs. So I pretend that there is a break in my belly button, and I'm trying to crush it with my abs. So I'm going to come back and then come up, squeezing my core the whole time, up, then back. Keep your feet flat. Use the ball to bounce up. Do not grab your head. Never grab your head as far as pulling your neck up. You can rest it there, but then if you rest it, sometimes you start pulling when you get tired. So just go ahead and put them here. Don't use it on the back of your legs because you're pulling yourself up. You're taking away from the exercise. So just put them on your chest, come up, hop, hop, hop. So we're going to do 20 of those. Then we're going to jump down here, and we're going to do up, downs. So it's up, up, down, down, up, down, down. All right, we're going to do 10 of those. So get all the equipment up, and we'll get started. Really get your knee up there. Pretend you're a UFC fighter. Really get that knee. Try to get it above your nipples if you can, but at least above your waist. Use your hands and really whop. All right, switch legs. Remember to breathe, guys, breathe. Head up. All right, time for crunches, guys. Get your ball all the way back. Pop. Pop. This is your rest period. Catch your breath. Exhale when you come up. Squeeze that core. Yeah. Pop that break in that belly button. Exhale when you come up. Exhale. Yeah. Now the foot board. Got up, down, guys. Here we go. Up, up, down, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, guys. Let's do one more. That boy. All right, round 2. Really get your knee up there. Pretend you're a UFC fighter. Really get that knee. Try to get it above your nipples if you can, but at least above your waist. Use your hands and really whop. All right, switch legs. Remember to breathe, guys, breathe. Get that knee up. All right, time for crunches, guys. Get your ball all the way back. Pop, pop. This is your rest period. Catch your breath. Exhale when you come up. Squeeze that core. Yeah. Pop that break in that belly button. Exhale when you come up. Exhale. Yeah. Now the foot board. Got up, down, guys. Here we go. Up, up, down, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, guys. Let's do one more. That boy. All right. Come on. Make it up there and tired, good. 5 rounds of heavy weight, 5, 6 legs. You guys breathe, come on. Belly ball, let's go, Princess. Let's say the rest period. Here we go, knock them out. Everybody's ready, kids. Start a little bit. Here we go, up there. Take a break, let's go, last round, come on. Ah, yeah. Let the legs get tired. Keep getting them up there, switch legs, here we go. Come quit on, guys, come on. Come on. We have goals. Get up there. Come on. You ready, guys? Here we go. Crunches. Let's go. This is our last round, guys. Our last round. Come on. Get your breath. Exhale. Pop them up. Squeeze that core. Pop it in. Breathe, guys. Breathe. You ready? This is the last set. Here we go. Up, down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Breathe up. Here we go. That's it. Do it, girl. Great job, guys. Hopefully, you were able to get through the whole workout. If you didn't, make sure you're drinking water. Make sure you're drinking water now. The whole goal is eventually build up the endurance. So the main thing after this workout is make sure we do a cool down. Let's do a little 5 minutes on the treadmill, like a 2.7, 2.6. Just let that blood flow. Let's just not go get in the car. We're gonna sit on the couch. Let's let the muscles slowly start to cool down. If not, they're gonna lock out. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. Got a lot of great workouts, teaching you how to eat healthy. And remember, don't sit, get fit.